Hey there, welcome back to my channel. To my amazing Bellaras? Yes, that's you, because you're all beautiful. I'm glad you're here. If you're new, welcome to the family. Are you struggling with stubborn acne and looking for a natural, affordable solution? What if I told you the secret to clear skin could be sitting in your spice rack right now? Yes, I'm talking about cloves. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate DIY toner that is a game changer for all acne types. Stick around to learn why it works and how to make it in just a few simple steps. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on simple, effective DIY skincare tips. Let's get started. So, why cloves? Cloves are packed with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties thanks to a compound called eugenol. This makes them amazing for fighting acne-causing bacteria, reducing redness, and calming irritated skin. Plus, cloves help regulate oil production, which is great for oily and combination skin types. And the best part? It's gentle enough for all acne types. Whether you're dealing with hormonal breakouts or cystic acne or just some occasional pimples. Here is how to make this super simple toner. Add 1 teaspoon of cloves to 1 cup of water in a small pot. Bring it to a gentle boil and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice the water turning a beautiful amber color. That's when you know it's ready. Turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let it cool completely. This helps infuse all those amazing clove benefits into the water. Once it's cooled, strain the mixture to remove the cloves and transfer the liquid into a spray bottle or a glass jar. And that's it! Just 2 main ingredients and a few minutes of your time to make the ultimate clove toner. Using this toner is super easy. After cleansing your face at night, you can either spray it directly on your skin or apply it with a cotton pad. Gently pat it in and let it dry. Use it every night as part of your skincare routine and you'll start noticing clearer, calmer skin in no time. Before you try this, here are a few tips. Always do a patch test before using any new skincare product, even if it's natural. If you have super sensitive skin, you can dilute the toner with a little bit more water. Store your toner in the fridge to keep it fresh for up to a week. And remember, consistency is key. Use it regularly to see the best results. And there you have it, Bellaras. A simple, natural, and effective DIY clove toner for acne-prone skin. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing. Bye!